Meaning of EMI.
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 EMI. EMI stands for electromagnetic interference. It refers to the disturbance that can be caused by electromagnetic radiation in electronic devices, which can interfere with the correct operation of these devices. EMI can cause data corruption, communication errors, and even system failure in extreme cases. EMI can occur from natural sources like lightning or from man-made sources such as electric motors, power lines, and radio waves. To minimize EMI, electronic devices are designed with shielding and filtering techniques, and EMI standards exist to ensure compliance and minimize interference.